What's happening, everybody? This is Mike, the developing dad, coming to you with the intro video to our Node, Express, and JavaScript NBA Today app tutorial. All right, so this is what we're going to be building right here. We're going to build an Express server Express REST API. Express REST API. Say that like 6 times fast. That's going to go out to the NBA's data store right here. Okay. And it's going to grab this information for us and we're going to display it. And what this does is, it's a very simple app, right? So you're just going to click refresh and it goes out and it grabs that information again. It's taking a while. I guess my Heroku instance is asleep now. Let's see what happened. Is it broke? There it is. All right, it finally came back. So as the games update, you'll see this separate out into live, finished, and upcoming. So right now all the games are upcoming. None of them has started yet. So you've got 6 p.m. right here, 6 p.m. right. They all start later than what I'm doing right now. You can refresh it as the games are going on and it'll update the scores and everything for you. So that's what we're going to build. We're going to start off building the Express server and then we're going to build separate front ends. I'm thinking at least 4 separate front ends. One I'm going to build in vanilla JavaScript, second in React, third in Vue, and possibly Angular, and maybe React Native. I think I'm going to do React Native as well. But it'll give you an opportunity to see how you can, well, first it's going to show you, okay, look, how much easier is it to write using a framework versus vanilla JavaScript. I was thinking about doing jQuery, but I was like, never mind, we won't do that. We'll just use vanilla JavaScript. How the frameworks kind of pull some of that or abstract away some of the stuff that you would have to do if you were using vanilla JavaScript. And then also React Native is fun, and then Vue is fun as well. Like, it'll be cool to just kind of compare and contrast how much time it takes, or how much easier it is to develop one in the other. But this is not a very complex app, but it's just a way for us to get our feet wet with various different ways of building applications. So in the next video, we're going to move into creating the Express server. So I'll see y'all on the next one. All right, bye.